Friday. What? Blizzard conditions expected. Total snow accumulations of 6 to 12 inches with locally higher amounts in extreme northern Oneida County. Winds gusting as high as 40 miles per hour. Where? Northern Oneida County. When? From 7 a.m. Thursday to 4 p.m. Friday. Impacts: travel could be very difficult to impossible. Areas of blowing snow could significantly reduce visibility to near zero. The hazardous conditions could impact the morning or evening commute. Tree limbs could be blown down and a few power outages may result. Travel should be restricted to emergencies only. If you must travel, have a winter survival kit with you. If you get stranded, stay with your vehicle. The latest road conditions for the state you are calling from can be obtained by calling 511. The following is a winter weather message.